Mommy don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for Mom and Dad for sticking to together, cause we
If you look, I mean, dude, look at this setup. Holy cow. Dude, I was not expecting that many people to show up. That's so cool. Let's go. Look at this, man. What?
Cascade Moto Group. If you didn't make it with us this year, put it on your calendar for next year.
Let's go, man. Look, I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk around and I'm gonna say what's up to everyone, but I mean, we got a little bit of everything out here, man. This is cool. This is epic.
We got food coming. We got wrist. Make sure you grab one of these bracelets. Fastlane Gang, Natural Motos. Huge shout out to them for hosting us. This means a lot. They went out of their way. If you haven't checked out the giveaway stuff, make sure you look. We got a freaking Xbox. I don't know how someone's gonna get that home. I'm sure if you win it, you'll figure out how you're gonna get it home. We got a GoPro. We got quad lock.
What's up? Name's Devontae. We drove up, me and my group, it's about 10 of us drove up from Georgia to see Nashville and meet Fastlane D. So yeah, this is pretty awesome, lovely city. We definitely got to come back here.
Wait, what's the farthest? Who thinks they come from the farthest?
Germany.
Germany? Yeah, you're not friends anymore. No way. No, y'all mess with me. Where y'all come from? Y'all flew in from Germany. Y'all ride the bike?
No.
I'm messing with you. 7396. 396. Hey! There you go. That's perfect, man. Congrats on your new gloves, bro. Appreciate it. There you go.
but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for Mom and Dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how.
Positive day, and I think it was a great experience, and hopefully everybody can do it again.
These guys have honestly showed me how to do stuff with my bike that I didn't know I could do before.
With a lot of help from PJ and Lance, and it was a great experience. This is the most track time I've ever had in a single day.
We've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved.
30 people here. I got some great instructors out here teaching everyone. Can't ask for a better day. Always learning something new, something that they didn't know before they came out, and you know, just trying to get out of them too what they want to see for the next ones coming up.
Better than expected. It was a great place to be. Very thankful to be here. We got a great place to ride as well.
The number one reason I chose to learn a lot and also be a safe rider when we go on the big adventure rides through the country.
Learned a lot today. It's been great.
Everybody's been having a great time, it looks like.
It's always good to be sure about the techniques.
I'm having a wonderful time.
Nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes.